Hello, did you know how to change the time on your MINI Cooper? You can even let the car do it for you if you're on the move and crossing time zones, or perhaps are just a bit forgetful when the clocks change. But if you fancy doing it the old-fashioned way, here's how to do it using MINI's rather clever infotainment system. To begin with, turn on the ignition. The screen will light up like the cockpit of a small aircraft. Then, using the rotary controller in the center console, press the menu button to bring up the main menu. Next, scroll to My MINI and give it a polite tap. From there, head into System Settings and then into Date and Time. And here we are, that's where the magic happens. You will spot the automatic time setting option. Tick that if you'd rather let the car handle it for you, and job is done. But to change the time yourself, select Set Time, then twist that rotary dial to adjust the hours and minutes. Push it in to confirm each time. You can also choose between 12-hour or 24-hour clock format. Now for the date, because knowing whether it's Tuesday or April's full day is quite handy. Select the date and spin through the day, month and year to adjust and press down to confirm. After that, you can also choose your preferred date format and job is done. Once everything is set, just back out of the menu and voila, your MINI now knows what day and time it is. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.